Hello there, welcome. Today we are going to be making a pyramid bag. So to start off, I used this interfacing. This is like hard interfacing, and then I marked 24 inches by 24 inches square. And then I actually had 5 of these pieces, one for the bottom, and then these 4 that I was going to cut into triangles. So to cut the triangles, I folded the pieces of interfacing by half to get the middle, and then I drew lines starting from the corner, from the bottom corner to the top, connecting to that center point that I had marked. Then I just went on and then I cut that. So there I now hid my triangles. So there I had 4 triangles and then 1 square piece for the bottom. I also cut the same amount of pieces for my light interfacing. Some people call it filing. Then so the interfacing is what I actually used to now cut the fabric. So what I would do is I would iron first. After ironing the edges, I now went on to start to attach all of the 4 triangles to make my little pyramid.